Have you ever felt like you're just drifting? Everyone around you seems to know where they're headed, but you're stuck wondering, what's my purpose? You're not alone. There's a story about a young man named Joseph in the Bible. Genesis 37-50. He had big dreams. But life didn't go as planned. His brothers betrayed him. He was thrown into a pit, sold into slavery, and later ended up in prison for something he didn't do. If anyone had a reason to give up, it was Joseph. But Joseph didn't quit, because even when life didn't make sense, God's plan was still in motion. Romans 8 verse 28 says, "And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him, who are called according to His purpose." You see, purpose isn't about having everything figured out. It's about trusting that God is working, even in the confusion, shaping your heart, building your character, and preparing you for what's next. Maybe right now you feel like Joseph, misunderstood, stuck, or forgotten. But like Joseph, you're not abandoned. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 reminds us, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." So if you're wondering what your purpose is, take a breath. God hasn't forgotten you. The delay isn't denial. Your story is still being written, and it's going to be beautiful. Stay faithful. Keep praying. Your purpose will unfold in His perfect time.